entire documentation website. Every single thing IBM could ever care to document is completely inaccessible because they have a core JavaScript dependency. We're talking about IBM here. We're talking about the company that still uses mainframes and sells it for everybody to use, which is fine and needed. Well, you think one company that would understand backward compatibility would be IBM, but no, you cannot read IBM's documentation page because you don't have JavaScript enabled. Yes, I can't read it because I can't read a site that's dedicated to writing questions and answering questions, all text. I can't read this text-based sites because I don't have JavaScript. Because Cora and the developers of Cora, just like the developers of the IBM documentation site, are morons. Sorry, let me rephrase that. They are unprofessional and should be fired on the spot because they don't support internet standards as designed by the standard thing, progressive web apps. Okay, so that's and another thing, there's certain sites that will consider text-based web browsers to be hacker tools, and they won't even show you anything. You know, it was one of them, dev.to. Check it out. God, these people are stupid. They're so stinking stupid. Don't read dev.to. Don't read dev.to. Do I need to tell you how stupid the people are on dev.to? I mean, why would you go to a developer website that's mostly a bunch of web developers that decided that a text-based web browser is a forbidden bot? I mean, if you're that clueless, you shouldn't be making websites about development. I got nothing good to tell you about dev.to. I once made a critique of somebody on the forum because they were spewing falsehoods about technology they had no idea about, and I corrected them very politely, and I got written up for being mean. They said, you need to be nicer about everything. I said, does that mean I have to not be right? Because they wanted me to soften the blow and say, well, no, it's not my opinion. The earth is not flat. And Lynx is not a bot, you morons. So don't use dev.to, okay? But why am I telling you that? Because my Lynx browser doesn't do that. My Lynx browser doesn't do it because you know what? Because dev.to, because a bunch of morons are over there, they don't know how to filter out an HTTP user agent. And so I totally hacked Lynx through the configuration file by changing one line, user agent, and I'm able to see all their stuff, and they don't think I'm a bot anymore because they're idiots. They're idiots. They're easily to bypass. Don't go to dev.to. Don't read anything over there, anything that comes from any of them. There are a bunch of juniors that want to make their name on the world by publishing a bunch of shit before they have any experience. Okay, I'm done. That was really harsh. I don't regret a second of it, though. It's totally true.